Welcome back. I just want to go over adding content to a page, and I'm going to show you how to add contact to this Contact Us page. Now I'm in the design view of the previewer, and I'm going to position my cursor by clicking at the end of Us and hitting my Enter button on my keyboard. And right here I'm going to type address, and I'm going to type 10 somewhere street, some town. Okay, don't worry about the sizing, how it's all messed up. We're going to fix that by switching to our layout tab at the top, and we'll come and hover over our address and click on the edit screen, and we'll go to text. And we will take this down to 16 and go apply. We will do the same for some town. Edit, highlight 30 and take it down to 16 and go apply. Now there's a lot of gaps in here between the address line and the town line, so I'm going to click on some town again and go to metrics, and I'm going to take the line height down to 10 and take the margin off the bottom and the padding at the top I'm going to make 5 and go apply. So you can see by playing around with the numbers in the text screen, we can even take this one down to 5 and go apply. You can move the text around and get the look that you want. Now, if we want to add a picture in after some town, we can go back to design mode, position the cursor after town, hit the enter key on your keyboard, and come down into the design toolbox and click on this insert image. This will open up the resources folder where your images are stored. And I'm going to find an image here. Okay, let's choose that one. Now this is going to open up quite big, and it's going to put it behind our form, which I think is a really cool look. Now, if we go back to the layout menu and I click edit image, I can make the height bigger. So let's say 600, see what that does. And see that lengthens the image on the page, and I don't need it that big. So let's go to 450 and apply. Still a little bit long, so I'm going to go for 400. And that's quite good. So if you want to put an image in behind the form on your contact page, that's how you go about it, and adding text like so. The other thing we could do is go back to design mode, and I want to add a phone number that people can tap to call. So here I'm going to type in phone, and 64 and I'm going to highlight that and come down to the phone link, type in that same number because that's what I want linked, and I will copy that and paste it in the phone number as well, and go insert. And so here we have tap to call showing the phone number. So that's altering your contact page and adding information to it with a picture behind our form, adding address information and a tap to call phone number.